We supposed to like jump in because we haven't been posting on this account.
Oh, hey! What y'all doing here? Hey!
Oh my gosh!
It's like we haven't been posting on this account
My name is Dennis, and this Tyshon.
When's the last time you did that? And show, yeah.
Hey guys, what is up? It's been a minute. I think
Has it been a minute?
So
I feel like it's been a long period of
like
time.
it's my fault or something. It's a collective issue. So, as some of y'all well may know, I love Doja Cat. While I have an amazing
You
boyfriend,
love Doja Cat? I feel like you wanted to trying to.
As y'all know, I love Doja Cat. I have a huge crush on her. I really admire her, love her, respect her. She's an amazing artist. I don't know, I just love her. So what I'm gonna do is Ty's gonna react to my Doja Cat crush videos.
Okay, I just wrote a long list. You see that list?
I don't really see anything.
You don't say none of them things about me. I don't hear you say I'm an amazing artist. Like,
Are you an artist?
I don't make milestones. Like,
What are you talking
I feel
about?
hurt. Like, you have to do me like that. You have to do.
Before we get started, before we get into the video, have y'all subscribed yet? Have y'all subscribed yet? Are y'all following us on Instagram? Make sure y'all leave a comment down below. Give it a thumbs up. Okay, but make sure you subscribe, because if y'all not subscribed, okay, calm down. Okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
Are they subscribed?
Yeah.
Are they subscribed? Anyway, so let's get into it.
Yeah.
Get into it, yeah. Oh, see what I did there? I didn't mean to do this. A Doja. It was not funny.
How dare you laugh about it and make meme after meme and retweet and this and
Anyway, back to the video.
I put it under my bed.
Okay.
Here's the thing, I'm a gay man, right? But when it comes to Doja Cat, when it comes to what the hell am I supposed to do? Like, what am I?
Yeah, what are you supposed to do?
Maybe you should let the video finish.
I mean, okay. I'll say my opinion to the end.
I ain't gay no more because Doja Cat said, and then a wink at me.
Ooh.
What do I do as a gay man? Tell me, because how do you recover?
I mean, I can do that too. I mean,
Do it then. Yeah.
so did I make you feel some type of way?
No, you do. I have to contain myself because we on camera. Yeah, that's so good.
Lies, lies, and more lies, and lies on top of lies.
Wait.
Let me stop. Because Doja, you...
Have you seen this one?
Gay.
No.
Wait. No, let me... I want...
Damn. I'm only into the second video. I ain't even gonna lie. You could leave me for her. Why do I feel like she looked me in the soul?
In the soul, in my deep in my spirit.
right?
Oh, she just
It's like she looked at you and was like, I know you farted or something like that.
I don't understand. I don't understand, bitch. I don't understand. I tried to win.
So your sexuality is Doja Cat? So you straight?
No, definitely not.
Bye.
I live with the Doja Cat.
Y'all gonna do the nasty?
Anyway, so next video.
Don't I look smart?
As I can see, Doja's back to dancing herself, and I'm ready to join them
Leave
on
me
stage.
dancing.
I just want to prove how ready I am, so...
I want to dance with this Doja so bad.
I ate that
I'm sorry, who's in the video? Here's the thing, Tyshon did tell me, and you can't even be mad at some of those videos, you told me that I should dance in front of a TV. Remember? You're like, you should dance in front of a TV. You're like,
Yeah, and I'm saying I also taught you to dance too. I taught Doja Cat that
oh,
dance
go ahead,
too.
go run it right now. Go run it right now. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, oh, she's bad shit.
Wait a damn minute.
Terrible.
It's definitely a no for me, dog.
I don't wanna know.
Speak bird. Doja Cat says speak bird right now. Speak bird.
Speak bird. Twinkle, twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle.
It was supposed to give, but it did not give what needed to be gave.
Twinkle, twinkle.
A little times I give my snacks to you.
So here's the thing, me and Tyshon are not engaged. That thing was a joke. I was saying that, like, if he proposed to me, like, and Doja said, I'm gonna hate Doja. Like, really, if Doja Cat proposed to me, like, I'd be like, hell yeah. But yeah, no,
Yo, you really scared the hell out of me.
Doja Cat.
Right.
Let me see the ring. Doja Cat ain't buy this cheap shit. Y'all know it.
Yeah, but Doja Cat didn't buy it.
You know what? Since it's a joke, Lil Nas hit my line.
Oh! I forgot I said that. Wait, Lil Nas, yeah. Lil Nas hit me up. Your sexuality, Doja Cat. My
Man,
sexuality,
you're-
Lil Nas.
You're gay. You're gay. Actually, I know I can put Lil Nas and Doja.
Period, bitch. Period.
Twinkle, twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle. Next video.
Boy, I know you wanna say.
Now you know that she look.
Take it. Here. Take it. I'm supposed to be gay.
What's that?
Be a gay man. But you know, my boyfriend gave me this, but it's yours now. Because we belong together. We belong together.
I am gay, but Doja Cat is beautiful.
But she's beautiful.
Okay, but that's my ex-wife, so I feel like that's my ex-wife, so I feel like you don't need to date somebody.
Next video.
Next video. That's all I needed to know.
I'm so stupid.
It's me, Christian. I'm supposed to have a birthday.
Have you seen this one?
I'm gay.
No.
Like, I have a boyfriend, but if you want to call me, that could be like done for.
Damn.
It was a joke.
Wait, hold on. Let me say something. Public service announcement.
Lil Nas, if you hit my line, it's done for my boyfriend.
First of all, no. Anyways.
Me and Doja about to fight.
Those are not trying to steal me. Oh, y'all, as y'all can tell, we are losing lighting. So I think that's going to be our last video.
Yeah, because we too black to be in dark.
It's getting real dark.
And the lighting is not pretty as a whole. I'm a black girl. You can't put blue lights on black girls.
But thank y'all so much for watching. You know what I think we should do?
What?
Since you had so much to talk about, or so much to say about me and Doja, let's talk about you and Kevin Chamberlain. Let's talk about
We don't gotta do that.
So,
anyways,
if this video gets 1,500 thumbs up, yeah. If it gets 1,500 thumbs up, I will react to all his Kevin Chamberlain videos. Yeah, because then we can read it out. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. All right.
Love
Bye,
you
y'all.
guys. Bye.
Y'all don't gotta like
No,
the
like the
Y'all
video. Give it a
gotta
thumbs up.
the video.
Okay. Bye.
Nah.
I'm